Hi everybody, I'm home in Phoenix and this is a very, very short message, something of an apology actually. I have been kind of incommunicado for the past few days and there is a reason for that. Not a good one, mind you, but a reason. I was driving my way home from Seattle and my brand new 3-month-old amazing hybrid car, which is the Hyundai, I can't even say it, Hyundai Ioniq, spelled with I-O-N-I-Q, making you want to say Hyundai Ioniq, but that's not right, imploded on my drive home. So it had an electrical failure, which apparently, because this is a brand new model, they've just noticed that this is a fluke or a flaw that is happening with this particular car, which they would have told me before they sold it to me. And everything went out all at once. Now, where was I when this happened? This is important. I was between Kanab, Utah, and Page, Arizona, which is on the Indian Reservation, and in the middle of nowhere in the 90-degree temperature, 90-plus range. Now, I am feeling very fortunate that it wasn't in the 100-degree-plus range because out went my air conditioner, out went the connection between the hybrid battery part and the gas tank so that they knew when each one should function. Out went the acceleration, whatever that is, so that when you want to, like you're getting on the on-ramp and you have to get up to speed quickly, that didn't happen anymore. Out went the connection between my phone's GPS and the screen in my car so that I couldn't have a map up. Anyway, suffice it to say, I had to limp my car into the Hyundai dealership in Flagstaff, which I did, and I've been holed up there for a couple of days. I have been mostly sitting in the dealership, and to be quite honest, by the time I got back to the hotel room, I did not have the wherewithal, the energy, or the mental capacity to grade. So I'm here to tell you that's where I've been, and I apologize. I'm in the middle of grading your Module 3 now. They're actually pretty darn interesting reading for me because they're talking a lot about yourselves and your own interpretation of the readings and how you see the world. And so that's been very interesting for me. But I just want to let you know that that is happening and I am grading. I also wanted to remind you that you've probably gotten by now 3 or 4 notices, because I know I have, asking you to go in and do an evaluation of the class. Since it's the first time I'm teaching it, I'm very interested to hear what worked for you, what didn't work for you, and that will help me very much revise it for the next group of students. You guys have been lovely. We've all been kind of getting to know the material together, seeing as how I hadn't read most of this stuff before either, and I'm reading, well, I'm not reading along with you. I'm trying to stay a step ahead. But anyway, okay, questions or concerns about the end of the last module, which my computer's telling me today is August 4th. I believe the last day of class is August 9th. You guys have been amazing keeping up with all of the work. And so if you have questions or concerns, please put it in hallway conversations, because probably other people will have the same concerns. Or if it's more personal or for some reason you prefer, send me an email and I will get back to you. And you will begin to see my notes in the grade book for Module 3, and I will get back to you when I'm done with that with my reflections. All right, have a great weekend. Bye.